A number of Galaxy devices will soon get Samsung's most recent One UI 7 update, which is based on Android 15. On Samsung smartphones and tablets, this update is anticipated to provide new features, improve performance, and improve user experience. The rollout will start right after the Samsung Developer Conference on October 3rd, and the stable version of UI 7 is anticipated to start making its way to devices shortly after. For significant upgrades, Samsung often uses a staged approach, and the UI 7 update will be no exception. The Galaxy S24 series, which is the most recent flagship update, will be the first to receive the One UI 7 update. The finest features and enhancements that the update has to offer should be highlighted by these devices. Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 Galaxy devices, the newest foldable phones from Samsung, will also be among the first to receive the update with additional features designed exclusively for foldable screens. As the update is anticipated to come in November, the Galaxy S23, S22, and S21 series, the previous flagship models, will be the next in line. Performance design and general functioning will be improved, which owners may anticipate. Around the same time, Samsung's older foldable models, the Galaxy Z Flip, 3 Flip 4, and Flip 5, will also get an update to One UI 7. Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4, in addition to the Flip series, will receive the One UI 7 update. The Fan Edition models of the Galaxy S23 and S21 will get an update in November, bringing with them many of the same enhancements seen in their flagship counterparts. The Galaxy S series, the Galaxy A54, 34, 24, 14, and other models in Samsung's popular mid-range Galaxy S series will start getting One UI 7 in late November, bringing them closer to the company's flagship products. The Galaxy Tab 9, Tab S9, and other models from Samsung will all receive a UI 7 update before the end of the year. The update will improve the tablet experience, especially in areas like productivity and multitasking. It's crucial to remember that actual release dates may vary depending on region and carrier. Samsung has a strong history of providing timely updates to its devices, especially its flagship models. The One UI 7 update will follow this strategy, with the company aiming to update most eligible devices by the end of the year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.